This is a short update on a follow-up from the video before. We did a small mistake, or we just hammered through it without even thinking so much about it. We installed the bag to sit, and it was sitting on the edge of the cup here, but it's supposed to slide over. It was a really tight fit, and I'm not quite there yet, but it's supposed to go over here and yeah, slide over this one. So there you know. Let's get on with this video.
Welcome to the hydraulic press channel.
So, welcome again to the yellow airride Lada series. Today we're going to install the airride kit in the front. And what is the most essential tool, William, to remove everything here? You need, here you go, and then you need heat and more heat. And if that doesn't work, you need even more heat. So let's go then. Yep. We did it wrong. So this is me from the future telling you to ignore everything we said about flipping the upper control arm. It's supposed to be with the big curve towards the driving direction.
Just loosen everything.
Yeah, just start loosening every bolt that you see.
Everything is going out anyway, so
I oiled them. Yeah, last night and today, and yeah, so definitely do that. Use some rust release for several days before starting this. Are you taking the steering arm?
yes, I'm changing the joint as well.
Yeah. As we've been saying for several times, the car has been standing for 21, 22 years, and rubber doesn't seem to like that. There you go. And if that doesn't help, a long arm will help you.
Lazy arm.
Lazy arm?
In Norway we call it a lazy arm.
Yeah. The lower ball joint. And you need a friend with a foot.
You sure?
You need 2 feet and 2 guys and 1 bruised leg to get this out. I already loosened that one for you. That was me. I can drop the shock. There you go. Just let me know if you need heat.
Yeah, we'll try without first.
Hey! Yay! Oh my God, you're so good.
Oh yes.
Why didn't you join me on the other side? On removing on this. So today I'm just chilling here. William is doing all the work.
As normal?
Yeah. But we're a team. And my part in the team is to make the videos. No. We're in it together. It's probably a right way to do this and a wrong way. And probably some will tell us in the comments, but we don't care. We just need to pull everything off. and go from there.
If you're not changing the brakes, you shouldn't do it this way, but we're changing the lines and everything anyway. So.
I'm going to drive my kids in this, and you're a kid, so brakes is important. So what we will be using here is these two and the spindle behind the disc, and that's it. This will never go without heat.
You wanna bet?
Yes. I can bet the lunch for that one because everyone in the rear needed the heat. Every single one.
So you owe me a lunch then?
Yes, I do. Stupid. Why? Everything is easier when you're here. This was a pain in the brain on the other side and in the back. Okay, I also will buy you drinks at the dinner at the lunch if this goes smoothly.
Okay.
So the nuts have never been an issue. The issue is that it rusts to the bolt inside here and requires a lot of heat. If this comes loose now, I will be so angry. Are you?
Okay.
Jesus Christ. 2 hours on the other side. So we said you needed a lot of heat on one side of the car then.
On the left.
Yeah. So everything is off then.
Yep.
From the lower arm is this one.
Why didn't you buy this?
Because I ordered so much stuff and I forgot about a lot. Do you want to do the press intro?
Yes. Welcome to the Hydraulic Press channel. Today we're gonna test Lada.
So now we are preparing the new arms, and we also gave the spindle a good clean and some new paint. And it's my 4th attempt to do this right. 100% battery now.
Okay, let's see.
And no sound, or we have sound, but not the small pussycats. We're finished with the new things everywhere, and now we're going to put it back. We forgot to put on some serious rust protection. Let's mount this now.
We're waiting with the shims until we'll fit those for now, and later when the car is finished,
It will get adjusted.
Yeah. We'll tighten it completely when it's on the ground.
Yep. I'm doing things wrong. This needs to go on the underside of that one. The bag comes pre-assembled, except for this fitting. You need to have some Teflon tape. That's included on the thing, and then just screw it in there. So next thing to do is to put the bag in the two holes. Put the bag in the 2 holes and tighten it. There it is. And there's the air coming through in there.
Replace the grommet there as well.
And that hole we didn't need to drill. In the back you need to drill, in the front you don't.
Great.
So let's put this up in the original hole for the shock absorber. Hopefully it doesn't leak. And for the most important part, there. Okay, now it's time to put it up in the hole, I guess. Pull here. There you go. And the last thing you need to do, as you saw me do right now, is to mount the new shock, standard OEM shock with the included screws. And a bit more tricky part is to drill and mount the included bracket to the wall here. I've done some measuring and it bottoms out right about here. The center is right about there. So when it's all the way stretched out like this, as it sits right now, you can just place it just in between the top mark and the middle mark. So then you have enough. Then it will bottom out around here, I hope. It may slightly differ from shock absorber to shock absorber, so check yours. Find the point between the top stop and the middle point and put it right about in between those two. Then you have enough travel down to meet the lowness. It's always scary to drill a new painted engine bay, but it looks like the bottom hole is fine and then the top ones will be fine as well. So, good. I need to deburr that one and put in a included bolt as well, and then I can drill the other ones. I also made a plate here so I can put it over, and it's not the Ladas are great cars, but it's not the best steel in the world, so I made a pretty thick plate that can be mounted and like a big washer on the back side. Maybe it helps, maybe it won't, but we'll find out. And the plate is here. Probably I could drill those, but I made this plate myself, so it's not actually really precise. It does the job. Bolts. Ah, fuck, I forgot the thing. I forgot the thing. And I've lost the thing. There's the thing. With this bolted in, it concludes the finishing of the front section of this air suspension system. And goes here. I'm going to tighten everything, put in a new steering. This is broken, so I have to order new ones. But this includes the front suspension. William had to go home because he's going to work early in the morning, but I'm sending my regards. Look at the other videos. It's one on the back and one on the installation of the tank and pump and electronics and everything the trunk. Yeah. So thanks for watching Buy Your Shit at Lada Moscow. If you're into this beautiful Russian car. See you soon. Bye bye.